Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetarian quesadillas. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh vegetables and quality cheese. You will need about 2 large tortillas per serving, along with 1 cup of shredded cheese. The key is to have all your components ready before you start cooking, making the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. This guide will help you create a satisfying meal in about 15 minutes. For your fillings, consider a vibrant mix of vegetables. Sautéed bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms are classic choices, offering a wonderful aroma and taste. Black beans and corn create a hearty, satisfying option, providing plenty of fiber and protein. Don't forget about spinach, zucchini, or even roasted sweet potatoes for a unique twist. Aim for about 1/2 cup of cooked filling per quesadilla. Assembling your quesadilla is straightforward. First, heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat using about 1 teaspoon of oil or butter. Place 1 tortilla down, then sprinkle about 1/4 cup of cheese, followed by your prepared fillings. Add another 1/4 cup of cheese on top of the filling, then cover with a second tortilla. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden and crispy. Once cooked, carefully remove your quesadilla from the pan and cut it into 4 or 8 wedges. Serve it hot with classic accompaniments such as fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Feel free to get creative with your fillings. Try adding jalapenos for a kick or different types of beans. This versatile dish is perfect for a quick lunch or a satisfying dinner.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.